401k is being cut in half, and if you vote Democrat, that's what's going to happen. They want to erase our gains and plunge our country into a nightmare of gridlock, poverty, chaos, and frankly, crime, because that's what comes with it. So we're just 5 weeks away from one of the most important congressional elections in our lifetime. You see what's happening in Washington right now, so you know how important it is. You see what's going on. By the way, look back there. Look at all that media. Look at all that media. If we could ever get them on our side, we'd win for 1,000 years. On Tuesday, November 6th, I need your vote, I need your support to stop radical Democrats and to elect proud Minnesota Republicans, and we have some great ones right now up for election.
Okay, so what you've seen there is a 2-minute clip. Now, I noticed during watching the first 3 minutes of this particular rally that Trump went like this and then quickly undid it about 4 times within the first 2 minutes of this particular rally. So I wanted to record this, and looks to me like he's doing it on purpose, but just like, hey, switching it off, and obviously he's sending a message here. This is we all know that this symbol, this white power symbol that I'm supposedly showing right here. Now, to me, I've done this before, right? You're okay. I get it. Sometimes it's a natural hand movement. I get it. I don't want to go too far and say to people, oh, well, every time somebody does this, that they're suddenly a white supremacist. That would be foolish. But this is the President of the United States. He knows that this symbol has come under scrutiny lately and has been being used by white supremacists as a sort of form of code. And this is a president who's been winking across the room at white supremacists and at neo-Nazis since basically the campaign. So this is a message that he is sending right now. Am I just being some paranoid freaking liberal saying this? No, I'm not a freaking liberal. But at the same time, I know what I see. I see what I see, and I can interpret what I see. Am I right about everything? I'm absolutely not right about everything. Ask my wife for evidence. But at the same time, when someone does something that is covert, but does it in just a quick enough way where they're pretending that it's a natural motion, I have no other way to go except to say that this has got to be Trump sending some sort of signal that he's trying to basically take back this country for, for the white male, right? Now, white males are not bad. We're not evil. Sorry, left. But at the same time, we have to realize that racism is fucking bad. And this systemic racism that a lot of our black friends and our minority friends are complaining about is not some sort of fabrication. And this freaking guy in this other room on TV is a problem. And I'm sorry, he's got to go. We got to vote November 6th, guys. We got to.